Happy day to all. This is Nivedita, co-founder and chief physiotherapist of Sri Ahana Physiotherapy Clinic. Today I am going to tell you about the effects of using cell phones or monitors for long periods of time. So when you use these cell phones or monitors for long periods of time, you will promote focal vision. This focal vision is nothing but looking at only one point, and your peripheral vision is completely blocked in this case. So what happens is, looking at one point for long period of time will prevent blinking. Blinking has been found to be reduced in people who have been using computers for long periods of time. So at this point, when blinking is stopped, what happens is the tear secreting glands, the secretion will also come down. So this results in a condition called dry eyes. So this dry eyes in turn, when the screen time is increased, will result in brain fatigue. So once after you complete your work or you complete watching something, what will happen is your body will completely become tired. This tiredness will not allow you to concentrate on the next work that you have got. Your energy will be completely drained. So if you ask me, will this screen time only cause effects in your eyes? But definitely it is not only in your eyes, it is also in your body, that is in your muscles and also in your posture. So using systems for a long period of time will result in static posture. Static posture will in turn result in forward head posture of the head as shown in the figure. So this forward head posture will result in headaches, will result in neck pain and will result in shoulder pain also. Today these things cannot be completely avoided because using screens for long times has become an integral part for us. It can be using it for online classes, or it can be using it for work from home, or it can be even for entertainment. Even for buying groceries, we have been using cell phones. I'll tell you how the screen time increases now. For example, if you are trying to buy vegetables online, what will you do? You will first choose one site. Maybe it is Grofers. You will choose that site. Then you will move on to the next to compare about the price. You will move on to Big Basket. Then you will move on to Amazon. So it goes on. So this is how the screen time is going to increase. So now for preventing these effects, we can use certain tips. The first thing that you'll have to do is, when you use cell phones or other screens for long times, you'll have to take break between every 1 hour. So in this break time, what you'll have to do is, you'll have to do movements of all your body parts. That is your neck movements, your shoulder movements, and you can even do walking. Then you'll have to get exposed to the sunlight. When you get exposed to the sunlight, you can break the concept of focal vision and your peripheral vision will open up. This will help you in seeing your surrounding and your eyes will get a better exercise. The next thing that you will have to concentrate is your posture when you work. When you work, make sure that you keep your back supported. When you keep your back supported, your muscles will be undergoing less amount of strain. When you move out of your back support, what happens is automatically rounding of your shoulders will occur, automatically forward head posture will come. So in the time you work, you won't concentrate about your posture. So make sure that your back is supported with the backrest. This will help you to prevent the effects of forward head posture. The next thing that we'll have to do is keep reminders. That is, like in few companies, what they do is when their employees work for more than 2 hours, they provide pop-ups which tell their employees to clap their hands, get up and walk for a while, stretch their arms. So these kind of things can be included to reduce the effect of working long hours with the electronic gadgets. If you are involved in academics, you can teach this to your children so that your children will also understand and it can help them in reducing the effects of using screens for long time. I hope this video was useful to you all. Thank you.